Welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a notice writing. Notice number, date, Summer Camp 2025. All students of class 10 and class 12 are informed that as part of the Summer Camp 2025 activities, you are required to organize and conduct special classes for the students of classes 4, 5 and 6. This initiative will help younger students improve their learning while developing your own teaching and leadership skills. Kindly prepare your lesson plans and be ready to assist as teachers during the camp. The camp will be held for 10 days in the month of January 2026 at 9 am to 11 am daily. At the end of the camp, there will be a small exam for their junior students to assess their progress. Based on their performance, certificates will be awarded to both the participating students and the student teachers. Interested students of class 10 and 12 willing to volunteer as teachers must register their names with the undersigned by 10th December 2025. Countersigned by Secretary of the Student Council, own name, countersigned by the Headmaster. Thank you for watching. Stay with me and like, share, subscribe.